Welcome to Module 2 of the Ethical Hacking Principle course. In this module, we will explore the foundational stage of ethical hacking, reconnaissance, also known as information gathering. This phase sets the stage for all subsequent hacking activities by mapping the target's digital footprint while maintaining legal and ethical boundaries. Let's begin. Reconnaissance, information gathering. Reconnaissance is the first and most important phase of any security assessment. It is the process of collecting useful information about a target from publicly available sources or through controlled interactions. Good reconnaissance helps ethical testers map the attack surface, find potential entry points, and shape an efficient, lawful testing strategy. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to 1. Explain the purpose and importance of reconnaissance in ethical hacking. 2. Differentiate between passive and active reconnaissance techniques. 3. Apply open-source tools and methods to collect target information securely. 4. Organize and document gathered intelligence to support further security testing. There are two phases of the reconnaissance, which are passive and active reconnaissance. Passive reconnaissance involves collecting information about a target without directly interacting with it, while active reconnaissance involves directly engaging with the target system to gather information, such as through network scanning or probing, which may be detectable by the target. Let's look at them in details. Passive reconnaissance. Passive reconnaissance is the art of gathering information about a target without directly interacting with it. Think of it as a form of non-intrusive surveillance. The goal is to collect as much data as possible from publicly available sources, OSINT, to build a comprehensive profile of the target organization or system. Common passive reconnaissance sources. 1. Domain name system, DNS. Footprinting. DNS is the Internet's phone book, translating human-readable domain names into IP addresses. It also holds a wealth of information that can be leveraged for reconnaissance. Under this we have DNS records. A DNS server stores various types of records, each providing different information. Tools for DNS footprinting. nslookup, a simple command line tool for querying DNS records. 2. WHOIS and IP geolocation. WHOIS is a public database that contains information about domain name registrants. This can reveal the name, address, email, and phone number of the person or organization that owns a domain. IP geolocation can provide the physical location of an IP address. 3. Using Google Docs for advanced information search. Google Dorking is a technique that uses advanced search operators to find specific information that might be hidden from regular searches. 4. Social media and employee information gathering. Employees are often the weakest link in a company's security. Gathering information about them from social media can reveal crucial details, such as their job title, technology they use, and personal interests, that could be leveraged for social engineering. Active reconnaissance. Active reconnaissance involves directly interacting with the target network to gather information. This is a more direct approach and carries a higher risk of being detected, so it must be done carefully. Common active reconnaissance process. 1. Host and network enumeration. This process involves identifying live hosts on a network and mapping out its structure. Ping sweep. Send ICMP requests across an IP range to find live hosts. Tools. Under tools we have 1. fping, fast tool for pinging many hosts. 2. nmap-sn, nmap command to perform a ping-only scan of that subnet. 2. Port scanning fundamentals. Port scanning is the process of probing a server's ports to determine which services are listening. We have two types of scan, which includes TCP Connect scan, the most basic type, which completes a full TCP three-way handshake. It's noisy and easily detected. SYN scan, half-open scan, a stealthier scan that sends a SYN packet, but does not complete the handshake, making it less likely to be logged. 3. Using MAP for service discovery and OS fingerprinting. MAP, Network Mapper, is the quintessential tool for network discovery and security auditing. It can do everything from a simple port scan to advanced OS fingerprinting and version detection. Steps to practical labs on passive reconnaissance on a simulated target. Step 1. DNS footprinting with DIG. 1. Open a terminal in your Kali Linux VM. 2. Use the dig command to find the A record for example.com, diggerexample.com. 3. Now, find the MX records to identify the mail servers, digmxexample.com. 4. Examine the output. Step 2. WHOIS lookup. 1. In your Kali terminal, use the whois command. whoisexample.com. 2. Review the output. You will find information like the registrant's name, organization, address, and email, if not redacted for privacy. Step 3. Google Dorking for hidden information. 1. Open a browser in your Kali Linux VM. 2. Go to https://www.google.com/search?Q=google.com. 3. Try these search queries to see what you can find. Remember, we are not looking for sensitive information, but to understand what a hacker might look for. Site, example.com file type, PDF. Site, example.com inurl, login. Site, example.com entitle, index of. Steps to practical labs on active reconnaissance on a simulated target. Step 1. Discovering your target's IP address. 1. Log into your Metasploitable 2 VM. 2. Type ifconfig to find its IP address. It will likely be in the 192.168.56.0/24 range, if you used the default VirtualBox, host-only network. 3. Note this IP address. Step 2. Performing a basic map scan. 1. Open a terminal in your Kali Linux VM. 2. Type the following command, replacing Metasploitable 2 IP with the IP address you found in the previous step. Map v Metasploitable 2 IP. 3. The V option provides verbose output, so you can see the scan in progress. 4. Review the results. Map will list all open ports and the services running on them. You should see services like FTP, SSH, Telnet, and HTTP. 3. The V option provides verbose output, so you can see the scan in progress. 4. Review the results. Map will list all open ports and the services running on them. You should see services like FTP, SSH, Telnet, and HTTP. Step 3. Advanced map scans. 1. Run the following command to perform a version detection scan. Map SV, Metasploitable 2 IP. 2. Now, run an aggressive scan to combine OS and version detection. Map A, Metasploitable 2 IP. 3. Compare the results from the basic scan and the advanced scans. Notice how the SV and A options provide much richer detail about the target's services and OS. Summary. This module teaches how to collect OSINT and perform authorized active scans to discover hosts, open ports, services, and operating systems using tools like MAP, with practical labs for DNS, WHOIS, Google Dorking, and MAP.